Experts are warning America could soon be seeing 200,000 coronavirus cases a day. Over a dozen states are reporting record hospital admissions as case counts spike, topping 100,000 new infections 7 days in a row.
The United States surpassing 10 million confirmed coronavirus cases since the start of the pandemic. 1 million of those cases reported in just the last 10 days.
And then now, as you see, we're well over 100,000, and that is really something that is unfortunate.
On Monday, the U.S. saw more than 111,000 new cases, and 44 states are seeing upticks in the number of cases.
We're in essentially a national sort of state of exponential growth. I think that, we are going to continue to go up in terms of the newly diagnosed infections, as well as people who need to be hospitalized.
The surge is reaching every corner of the nation. In the Midwest, cases and number of patients hospitalized with the virus continues to rise. At least 16 states across the country are seeing record hospitalizations, including Ohio, which saw its worst week since the pandemic began. Ohio medical officials warning that hospitals are becoming overwhelmed due to the recent uptick. That surge also felt in North Dakota, where the governor announced that asymptomatic COVID-positive healthcare workers are now allowed to work in COVID units of licensed healthcare facilities as hospitals face staffing shortages.
We could be facing a situation in our state in the next 2 to 3 weeks where we would be severely constrained on hospital capacity. Some parts of the state we're already seeing that.
In New York City, the positivity rate has increased to well over 2% for the first time in months. Mayor Bill de Blasio issued this warning.
Now, unfortunately, we're seeing a real growth in the positivity rate in this city, and that is dangerous. So we have one last chance to stop a second wave.
And here in El Paso, nearly 900 new coronavirus cases were reported on Monday, and the city currently has a test positivity rate of over 20%. The city now has 6 mobile morgues and is asking for 4 more. El Paso is currently under a 2-week shutdown that is set to expire on Wednesday. The county judge, though, says he feels they'll need to extend that shutdown.